Hi, my name is Muhammad and today I'm going to talk about the idea and innovation. So first, due to the high risks in some places that can lead to the fire and explosion, Fassguard can be the first responder to prevent the fire outbreak. The innovation value is to create a low-cost product where it can be integrated with a mobile app. We will add a GPS tracking system to the device and create a mobile app using Ionic 5. So for those who don't know, Ionic 5 is an open source UI toolkit to create a high quality mobile and desktop app using web technologies. How does Fassguard work? So first, if our product detect fire or smoke or gases that can cause explosion, it will send emergency notification to the app. Later, it will send the exact location to the emergency rescue team. Next is the customer focus. So basically our main target market are usually all industry that have high risk to cause fire or explosion, especially in oil and gas industries. Other than that, we will try to approach fire safety company, household, homestay, hotel, and restaurant are also our target. Through the survey, we found out that all participants are agree to install Fassguard in their house. If you look at the picture, this is our current product, which is consists of a battery, a controller, and a siren, and we will also equip with a solar panel and a sensor box where we keep all the electronic in there.
Okay. Next, for the next slide is money making. First, Malaysia has these apps on their smartphone to make online purchase at Shopee and Lazada. Among the other things, the eBay platform can also be used to procure this product. For companies that sell accident and fire prevention equipment such as Kasuga Sdn Bhd, Auto Firework, and Mark Jaya Engineering Sdn Bhd. For the next point is in our pricing strategy, the price of this has been set and adjusted to a reasonable price as this product is also suitable for use in residential areas. Alternate method to achieve multiple revenue streams using high performing existing equipment. We'll do survey on our top 10% of our customer and the end user. For the next is costing. This product estimate to be less than 300 depend on the equipment that we use. We can get all the parts to create a finished product through online and shop nearby. Other that, we just must create apps to go along with the product. Usually people want to know, are we able to go to market with a complete prototype? Yes, with this product can enter market and can compete with other product.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm going to present the project team member of the Fassguard team. The first member in our group is Encik Amir Adli Benzali. He has experience of working in oil and gas industries. He's currently a vocational training officer at KKTM Kemaman. His role in this team is supervisor. He will manage and supervise the team. Our second team member is Muhammad Ikhwan bin Ishaq. is currently in SEM 4 onshore program KKTM Kemaman. He has experience in handling the project and currently learning about Ionic 5. His role in this team is programmer. He will be responsible in programming and designing the project. Our third team member is Muhammad Imran Hakim bin Muhammad Bokri. He is currently in SEM 4 onshore program KKTM Kemaman. He has high hands-on skills that can contribute to the project. His role in this team is technical expert. He will provide technical expertise in this team.